Hi, I'm Christina Riccobono from Douglas Elliman Real Estate in Garden City, New York. Happy holidays! This is my favorite time of year, and recently I found a great recipe that you can share with your family and friends. Don't forget to like and comment, and enjoy! Wasn't that a great recipe? As your realtor and having grown up in Garden City, I have extensive knowledge of the area and its surrounding neighborhoods. I can guide you through a seamless transaction when buying a home. And if you've had thoughts of selling and you'd like to know what your property is worth, please give me a call. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like my page, you will get a great recipe every month.